Hi guys, welcome to week 2 of the renovation. I was not actually expecting to film this. I just decided to come after work today to see what the deal was when they started at demolition. We can start talking. I'll flip the camera around so you can see what all has happened. I'm a little unpleased because they got rid of some of the built-ins that were there, which I had put some house-related documents in that are no longer there because they decided to rip that out, which that was not part of my understanding, but here we are. So I'm not in the best of moods, but let's go through the demo. So first up, they removed the carpets in here, and I tried to get this paint off yet again with another paint remover and failed miserably. So we're gonna have to find some other solution. But I did find there was stone under here, which I actually quite like. And I think this was a traditional wood burning fireplace, as I had said before. And this is the same here. This is the living room. They're gonna be removing, what are these things called? The sill. So that thing right there. And repairing the drywall and stuff. So this is the 1-bedroom. So I was thinking, actually I need to find my measuring tape, which has mysteriously disappeared along with a few other things. But I want to measure the distance between these two outward frames. So there and there, to see if that is I think it's too big to be a standard door size. So the whole thing might need to be reframed. I was thinking about putting a front door there because having this open allows light to come to this side of the house. And that's where the closet is, which will be removed. And then just over here, just putting on an IKEA PAX wardrobe, because that's basically gonna be wasted space. I think I'm gonna make this my office, as I said. But if it has the PAX wardrobe in there, it still comes as a bedroom, especially if it has the built-in look. But I don't think that necessarily matters. It just has to be a closet. So over here, this leads to the bedroom. So they have some bathroom debris all over. So here, I don't think anything exciting was done, just that the flooring was removed. And I'm thinking about borrowing some space from either this closet or the closet on the other side to make the bathroom bigger. So I'm gonna try to navigate these things that are still left around. Okay, so this is the bathroom. There's just something very satisfying about things being demoed. So as I had mentioned before, he was suggesting making this the shower and then having the tub on this side, which is not the worst idea because he feels like the tub and the shower should be over here just because it's more private from the rest of the house. Oh, sorry, hopefully that's not too loud. And then moving on to the other bedroom. This is where I'm thinking they could borrow some closet space from, because this closet protrudes out into the bedroom, so it could always be cut in half, this way. No, you know what I'm saying, what's the word? Horizontally. So the closet could be half as long and just come closer towards where I'm standing. So once again, just the flooring has been taken out. So the kitchen's been demoed, which I love because it was my favorite. Oh, so weird. I guess they had put some tile over this. I don't know what this is. Some sort of plasterboard, which is super questionable. But this is the wall. Apparently it's a brick wall. And this is the kitchen. So I mentioned he's thinking about covering up this window, which would not be terrible in terms of symmetry, because it's why is there a window over here and not one over there? It'd just be better to just have one window. But I don't know, like I said, it's dark. And then there's a window back here, which has some weird thing on that I need to figure out how to get off and or replace. Great. I almost fell on something. So So they did get rid of the, what is this thing called? The drop ceiling, which I hated, which is good. So they're gonna have to figure out what's up with all these lines and close it back up again. Although I wonder if it needs to be, I guess it needs to be closed because all these pipes are here. And there's like a hole over there for some reason. I don't know what that's about. So that's great. Closet's there. And then this bathroom was partially demolished. I don't know if they're like just keeping it so they could have one bathroom. I'd have forgotten that there was a bathroom here. Because I was like, oh, I need to pee, but there's no bathroom. But there actually is a bathroom, so that's useful. Now back into the living room. So fun. There was a brick under there. There was tile before. So I asked them to like remove some of this drywall to see how the other brick is looking and if we can do something with that. It looks like it has some, I don't know what this is. I think it's some sort of putty or something. It'll probably be scraped off. Whatever was adhering like the tile there before. And then this is the built-in that was partially torn apart with the documents. So not happy about that. And then this is here still. And I kind of hate that window is off center. I don't know why people do that. Like... People don't value symmetry enough, I guess. And then I don't think I showed this part before. I don't know, because I probably ran out of time. I didn't feel like doing it. But pantry, it had a bunch of shelving in here that they've removed. We're trying to see if it could become a laundry room or not, which would be nice, but unsure. So this is gonna be it for day 1. I won't be here for day 2 or 3 because I have to work long hours, so I won't get here. But I'll be back on the weekend, and then we can see how much progress has occurred since today. Hi guys, so I actually did come here today. I wasn't going to. It's the next day. It's like 8 p.m. I need to be out of here quickly, but I finished work and decided to hop over because I was in the area. And they've actually made some significant progress on the demo, so I'm going to show you guys that now. So living area here. They've just moved all these appliances, which we're still trying to decide what to do with. Obviously, like things like the microwave and stuff are like literally useless, but stove and washing machine are still good, so we can keep those and or sell them. The fireplace, they haven't removed the drywall as yet, but I'm excited to see like how much brick is there. And you've seen the built-ins before with the missing drawers. I think they're gonna just remove the interior, and I'm gonna figure out what to do there. If the dimensions are good, I could probably put like some sort of IKEA system in there, but we'll see. But look, the floor is clean. I got all the debris out. I'm gonna turn this light on over here, but we're in the kitchen. So my husband was pointing out, I'm trying not to hit my head on anything, that this entire wall can be removed because it doesn't have anything structural or important that can be relocated. So that's lovely. So less money to be spent there. This is the cinder block wall still, and the beam does seem to be offering some support. I don't know if that support can be realigned somewhere else or what, but there's that. Then living room, not much changes here. I was telling my husband about and I might have mentioned in the vlog too, the stone hearth. That's very exciting. It doesn't appear to be a stone hearth on the other side though, but that's cool. Nothing new here, nothing new there. But actually the camera does a good job of lighting this up. But this is the bathroom, a little bit more demo. So I think the tub was still in there. That's gone. And then this is the piping out here. And then I don't think there was anything else new here in particular. Just that they got some of the shelving out, I think. Yep, so they still have a little bit more work to do, but then we should be on our way, which is very exciting. I know tomorrow they're demoing again, and I don't know what the plan is for next week either, but you know, we'll see. Oh my God, there's like 5,000 deers in our backyard. Oh, it looks like you can see me home. I was going to film a video, but they saw me, so they're running away. But yeah, let me get out of here and get some sleep, and I will see you guys when I get back here, which is probably gonna be on Saturday this weekend. Good morning. So it is Sunday. We came over here yesterday just to try and do our own thing, but they were actually working. So here we are today. So I'll show you guys what's new from what I can recall from the last time. I'm trying to figure out where to look at this camera. I'm sure I'm gonna watch these videos and be annoyed. But anywho, let's show you what's happening in the house. Possible laundry room, that looks about the same. I don't know what that stuff is on the ground. I think that can definitely go to recycling or get thrown away. They've been like knocking some stuff in and clearing things out. Now for the rest of the house, the rest of this hasn't been removed yet. Let's head up this room. They pulled the walls down for the closet, open up the ceiling because this is where the drop ceiling was that we're trying to get back higher as to where it should be. So that would involve putting those pipes down there in the ceiling. I guess whoever did not want to pay to put the pipes in the ceiling, so now they just created a drop ceiling, which is lame. You can actually see the demarcation with the white paint from how much the ceiling had dropped. And then the electrical box, we're gonna see how much that cost to be removed. Bathroom is half together because I'm assuming they want to keep the bathroom till last so they can use it. Then we go to the kitchen and lovely news, there's no wall there. So that wall has been removed. It's going to be open. And then these are the exterior walls. And then this thing, I think they like put, this is I think this part of the house is the new part of the house or something. I'm wondering why they made this. Perhaps this was a door? Very interesting. I'm just noticing this now. That this is wood and then this part is cinder. So who really knows what was happening over there? So let's bypass this stuff. They removed the sill that was here for some reason. I mean, it needs to be removed anyway, but only that has been removed. The brick wall, which I can't remove the paint from. There's my attempt at removing the paint, and that took like about 3 attempts, so definitely not worth it. We'll see if we can find some other solution. And then they took the casing off these doors, and he was suggesting putting like a little entry nook right here and then closing it off in the back. And then I was gonna put some IKEA wardrobes right there to serve as the closet. And then I was thinking about putting French doors in here, or a door with glass opening. So the door frame has been removed. I don't think anything new happened here except baseboards removed. And I don't know, I guess they removed something. Moved the shelves for sure. I guess maybe this was painted red at some time. And then the little other things in there. Then the bathroom. Surprise, there's the opening there. That's where the closet was. So we're thinking about expanding the bathroom or the current footprint. This is where the tub was, where those 2 piles were. And then this is the rest of the bathroom. So yeah, we're thinking about expanding the bathroom at least this much. My feet are at least half of this. And then I wanted to just put in IKEA wardrobes in the second half of that. At least that was my plan anyway, because I think actually I need to get measurements today to see how wide this is so I can get wardrobes to fit that amount. And they took the sill out here. Interesting, there's all sorts of things in here. Glass remnants and whatnot. Then what else is there to show you guys? Oh, they got rid of the bookshelves. I told them to get rid of the bookshelves and I guess they did. That bookshelf was gone as well. I showed you guys everything that has happened so far. I think I'm gonna close the vlog off for this week so that I don't have to edit like 5,000 hours of video footage. And we are just gonna do some yard work. Okay, my husband is doing most of the yard work, and I want to show you guys we bought a pickup truck. It's like old and falling apart, but it's going to be used for home yard work type stuff, so it's fine for those purposes. So let me show you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.